Hi first graders, I'm going to go over the words of the week with you guys like we do every Monday at school. So the first word is, repeat after me, begin. Begin. You should begin your work as soon as you get to your desk. Begin. Number 2 is the word room. Room. I need to clean my room by putting away all my toys and making my bed. Room. My next word is brother. Brother. I have an older brother named James. Brother. The next word is someone. Someone. Someone went over to the board and erased it. Someone. Number 5 is the word front. Front. This is the front of my dress. This is the back. This is the front. Number 6 is sometimes. Sometimes I have iced coffee instead of hot coffee. Sometimes. Number 7 is picture. Picture. I have a picture of my friends and I on my wall. Picture. The next word is young. Young. All of you are so young because you're only about 5 or 6 years old. Young. Number 9 and number 10 are our spelling words for this week. Recently we learned all about contractions, which is when 2 words come together to make a shortcut word. We're going to be learning about contractions that end in apostrophe R-E this week. So we have the word your, you're walking in the wrong direction. So it's not like put your hands on your desk. It's more like you and are coming together to make your. So instead of saying you are walking in the wrong direction, you can say you're walking in the wrong direction. So your is a shortcut word for you and are. And number 10 is there. There. There is a contraction that puts they and are together. So they are listening to their teacher can be shortened into they're listening to their teacher. All right, the next order of business is that we are going to draw out the days of school in our hundreds, tens, and ones. So I've kind of lost track of what day of school we're really in, but I made an estimate that we're about day 164. So this is a big number. The last time we were in school, it was probably in the 120s. So we've really done many days of distance learning, huh? So I'm going to draw out the days of school in hundreds, tens, and ones. All right, so how many hundreds are in 164? 1. So let's draw 100 right below. We got 100. How many tens are in 164? 6, because there's 6 tens in 60. So count with me, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And how many ones are in 164? 4. Count with me. 161, 162, 163, 164. Oh, Miss V forgot to check each place value. Do I have 100? Yes, I do. Gotta give myself a check. Do I have 6 tens? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Do I have 4 ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Then I drew 164. All right, next order of business, we have our problem of the day. First, I'm going to read it, and then I'll have you guys echo read with me. Mireya had a box of 88 hair bows. All of a sudden, the wind blew 46 of them away. How many bows were still in the box? All right, echo read with me. Mireya had a box of 88 hair bows. All of a sudden, the wind blew 46 of them away. How many bows were still in the box? All right, so first we have to go in and underline our question. So what is the question that this problem is asking? Questions can start with who, what, where, when, how, or why. Let's look for a question word at the end. How many bows were still in the box? That's our question, so underline your question with me. How many bows were still in the box? Now, at the beginning of the problem, how many bows did Mireya have in her box? Mireya had a box of 88 hair bows. So 88 is an important number that we need to know. Let's circle it. All of a sudden, the wind blew 46 of them away. So 46 is another important number that we need to know. How many bows were still in the box? Okay, so let's think about what's happening. Mireya has a big box of bows, and some of them blow away. Is Mireya going to have more bows or less bows? Less bows, right? The wind's blowing them away. So are we adding more or are we subtracting and taking some away? Subtracting. So I'm going to draw a subtraction sign. Okay. Now, first thing we do is we copy down the problem. Okay, so in the beginning of the problem, how many bows did Mireya have? 88. And then the wind blew how many away? 46. And we're trying to find out how many were left. So let's make an equation for this first before we start our work. We always start from the bigger number in a subtraction sentence. So 88 minus 46 equals, do we know yet? No, let's do our box. Okay. When we are showing our work for a subtraction problem, we're only drawing the bigger number. So I'm going to draw 88 in tens and ones. How many tens are in 88? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many ones are in 88? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now we're going to be taking away. We're taking away 46, but how many tens are we going to cross out? 4. So let's cross out 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones are we going to cross out? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we crossed out our 4 tens. We crossed out our 6 ones. Now we're finding out what's left, or how many hair bows are still left in Mireya's box. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. There are 42 hair bows left in Medea's box. All right, so we did our work. We know our answer. We completed our equation. Now it's time to write out our fact family. And I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way where we used to draw the roof of the fact family house, because that kind of helps me to see what I'm doing more clearly. So these are the three numbers we're putting in our fact family, okay? Sorry, I think this is going to fall off. Ah! I do not have the best walls for this paper. Okay. So I'm drawing my roof. Remember, part, whole. And the whole is the biggest number. What's the biggest number of these three? 88. So 88 goes at the top. The other two numbers are the parts. They go on the bottom. It doesn't matter which position they're in. So 46 and 42. Okay, I like to start with my parts for my two addition sentences. So remember, in a fact family, there's two addition equations and two subtraction equations using our part, whole. So we're adding these two numbers together. 46 plus 42 equals 88. Now we can flip-flop the two parts. So 42 plus 46 equals 88. Okay, those are the two easier ones. Now it's time for the subtraction ones. So for subtraction, we always start with the whole or the bigger number. So 88, let's go this way first, minus 46 equals 42. Okay, now let's start again. 88 minus 42 equals 46. So we're just flip-flopping these two parts. Okay, I'm double checking. In my addition sentences, I have my whole at the end. In my subtraction sentences, I have my whole at the beginning. That's a way to double check. Okay. So we know that Medea has 42 hair bows left, but now we have to write that answer in word form. So how can we say it? Let's start with who. So who's the girl in this problem? Medea, right? So Medea has, how many left? 42. 42 what? Hair bows, right? Hair bows left. And I always end my sentence with a period. All right, thank you guys so much for following along with me, and now you'll be able to do this even better on your own when you see your distance learning schedule for this week. I have a problem of the day for each day, and I want you to show me your work for your problem of the day. Take a picture of it, send it my way, and I'll be able to check it and give you a virtual stamp, okay? Good job today.